better subscribe.
There are two ways to go about this. First way is the long way, and that is to use Quick Media Player. Once QuickTime Player is open, click on Fly. On the top left side of the screen, click on New Screen Recording. A small pop-up box opens below. You can decide to record the whole screen or record a selected section of the screen. I choose to record the whole screen and then click on Record. Screen recording starts immediately. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Check out my channel for more interesting content like this. Check out our tech lesson videos as well as our unboxing videos. We also have a tech quiz we did, which is one of my favorite videos. Click on the stop circle button at the top right to end the screen recording. The screen recording file is saved on your desktop. Now on to the second way of screen recording, which is easier and shorter. This is done by using the keyboard shortcut Command plus Shift plus 5. The same pop-up box appears. Follow the previous steps to start recording. For this screen recording, I choose to record a selected section of the screen. Screen recording done. So simple and easy to do, right? Okay, so I am going to throw in a bonus lesson for YouTube content creators or for those who want to record themselves and screen record at the same time. This can be used for online lessons or presentations. It is so easy to do. Open QuickTime Player. Click on File at the top left corner of the screen and select New Movie Recording. Your video camera should turn on and you should be able to see yourself. You can then reduce the size of the window and place it at the area you want it to be. Click on View from the top left side of the screen and select Float on top. This lets the video recording be on top of any window or software opened. Now you can start your screen recording using any of the methods you learned in this lesson. Once again, don't forget to give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe and share for more content like this. Learn how to do this. Let me know if you have any questions or want to learn something else. The results of what we just screen recorded. Thanks for watching.